Have you ever asked AI about your company's internal policy? It gave you a very confident answer, but that answer was completely wrong. Why does this happen, and how do we fix it? That's what we're talking about today. RAG. Every AI model has a knowledge cutoff. It was trained up to a certain point, then frozen. It doesn't know what's in your company's employee handbook. It doesn't know about your latest product update. It doesn't know what happened last week. So when you ask it something specific, it can only guess. And that guess sounds very confident, but it's wrong. In the AI world, we call this a hallucination. Imagine you hired a very smart assistant, but this assistant learned everything before joining your company. When you ask a question, they answer from memory. Now, imagine you gave that assistant a key to the filing cabinet. Before answering, they go check the relevant files first. Then they come back with an answer that's actually grounded in facts. So how does RAG actually work? It does three simple things. First, it finds the right information from your files. Then it understands what it found. And finally, it explains the answer to you in plain, simple words. Find it, understand it, explain it. Before the three steps, let's see how the knowledge base is actually built. You drop all your files into one folder. PDF, Word, text files, anything works. The system cuts each file into small chunks, like tearing a book into individual pages. Each chunk of text gets converted into a string of numbers. We call it a vector. This string of numbers represents the meaning of that text. These vectors get stored in a special database, called a vector database. And there you go, minus your knowledge base is built. Okay, here's the most important part. Let's see how vector search actually works. Imagine the entire universe is your knowledge base. Every star is a chunk from your files. Content with similar meaning. The stars cluster together. This group here is about annual leave. That group there is about salary. Further out is about products. Now, someone asks a question. How many days off do I get per year? This question also becomes a star in the universe. Then the system starts searching. It's not looking for keywords. It's looking for the stars closest in meaning. Look, even though the wording in the question is completely different from the files, the meaning is similar, so they sit close together in this universe. The system found the three most relevant chunks. It passes that content to the AI. The AI reads it, then answers you. This is semantic search. Understanding meaning, not just matching words. All right, let's connect the whole flow. RAG works in three simple steps. Step 1, build a knowledge base. Take all your files, PDF, Word, text, and store them in a vector database. Content with similar meaning automatically clusters together. Step 2, someone asks a question. The system finds the most relevant content in the knowledge base. Not keyword search, it understands meaning. So even if the wording is different, it finds the right information. Step 3, the AI generates an answer. This time, it's not guessing. It read the relevant content it just found and answers based on that. Grounded, accurate, from your real data. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG. So who actually uses RAG in the real world? HR teams use it so employees can ask about leave policies and get accurate answers, not outdated info. Customer service teams use it, so the AI answers user questions based on the latest product docs. Lawyers use it to find relevant clauses in hundreds of pages of contracts in seconds. Healthcare teams use it to look up the latest treatment guidelines and medication protocols. Simply put, if you have a pile of documents and want AI to answer questions from them, RAG is the answer. Let's do a direct comparison. Same question. How many annual leave days does the company give? Without RAG, the AI guesses from memory. The answer might be outdated or completely wrong. With RAG, the AI checks the files first, finds the latest 2026 handbook, tells you it's 16 days, and includes the source. Same model, same question, but the result completely different. That's the value of RAG. Remember one thing, RAG doesn't change the AI model itself. It changes what the AI can access before it answers. It's like giving the AI a reference book right before an exam. The model stays the same, but the answers get much more accurate. Same model, better answers. That's RAG. Okay, that's all for today's video. RAG. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you. Bye bye.